Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a different video. I'm having JoJo come over here. She'll be here soon. And we are going to rearrange my room. Like completely. So I'm about to show you my room, but just saying it is a mess. Like a lot. So no. There's like an animal in the woods that he did not like.
Wait, why did you tell me that? It wasn't safe. I brought you a stick of gum.
Oh.
A whole stick of gum? A whole one.
Thank you. Did you bring me coffee?
These are both mine. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, thanks.
I didn't bring you a straw because I wanted you to make that choice for yourself.
We're gonna move my bed right here. But thing is,
Want her flat up against it? Yep.
So here's just a bit of an update. It is exactly 12 o'clock. Just got back from a wedding. Right now, we only have the desk part kind of set up. So my makeup is all here, my fish tank, and I have my Polaroids, my to-do list, my other pictures, which I need to put new ones up. Then obviously my desk is a mess, but then we spray painted this ladder shelf black, and I think it goes a lot better with everything. Then we have my lamp right here that I never use, and then I'm putting a rocking chair right here. So then I can have like a little nook over here for schoolwork, and I'll have lights hanging and stuff. And this is my bed. So I am back. It is about 4:40 and we are about to leave to go camping, and I'm still not done with my room. But I did get some things done and it's almost done. I just have little things here and there that I need to finish. I put these two up. My desk is still a mess, so we're gonna go past that. I put my jewelry up, other paintings, my calendar. You guys already saw this. Spray painted that. This is all still the same, but then I put my tapestry up over here, and then I'm putting my hats up here, and then I'm thinking about making a headboard with lights around here. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so it is currently 8:06. Just got home from camping, so haven't touched my room at all since Sunday. And somebody came to join me again. She came back. I'm back. So now we are gonna do the finishing touches. Alright, so here's the big reveal. All of my hats. Oh, that just focused on my fingers. Ew. My hats. I hung up my lights all the way around my tapestry. My bed is JoJo. Finley. Bed was made.
Sorry.
And then I have my upcycled side table right here. So we're just gonna keep going around this way. I keep all my insecurities in that closet. So my mirror that I always take pictures in. Over here I'm gonna have my little reading nook, which is occupied by JoJo's things. Hung up all my things, my other mirror with the lights around. My desk is kind of a mess still, but that's fine. My fish tank is over here, all of my makeup, and me. So all of the floor space that I have is amazing. Before I had like none. You know the drill. Like, subscribe, comment down below on what you guys would like to see next. I'll see you guys later. Bye!
Should I have a video where you do my hair?